Okay, so if you have a boosted board battery, common parts that can break is this. This is a valve, relief valve for the battery, and its role is to ensure that your battery remain water resistant while still having a relief valve in case of some kind of failures from the battery inside. Now, what's common is that this will break, not because there was actually a battery failure, but because someone switched the batteries and the cable knocked this over, and the thread break here instead of the actual valve, which would be here between the button and the nut. So when you have a break like this and your battery is fully functional, usually that means that it was a mechanical break, and it's a fairly easy replacement, and you can get the replacement part, OEM replacement part. I'll include a link to where you can buy this. And so when I started working on this, I was trying to figure out how to remove the thread, and it's already removed. It's ready for the replacement. But I tried a few different things, and what ended up working best is to use a straight flute screw extractor. You could also try the spiral flute extractor, but a straight flute I think is probably better and has less chance of damaging the threads on the battery case. And so this, you can buy, this is pretty cheap. You can buy on Amazon, and then it has a square, both of them have a square head, so you can use something like a tap holder or a wrench or something like that. I recommend using a tap holder because it'll be a bit more flexible, a bit more control. And then the other thing that you need, once you remove the thread, the other thing that you need is a 7/16 or similar socket. And then the repair is as simple as basically just putting this back on and screwing it back on. That's it. That's all there is to it. The only tricky part is really removing you don't want to over thread it. You want to thread it sufficiently that it's gonna press. You're gonna have to press the ring to be waterproof, but you don't want to break the threads. That's it. And then the only tricky part really is removing the thread. But if you use this tool, you'll be fine. Another thing about this is that this is the size 1. I'm not quite sure why the size 1 for the straight flute. Assuming both these use the same starter, is that much smaller than the other one. But if needed, if you don't have enough space in the existing hole, you can use a left-handed drill bit that matches the size of this. And left-handed means to drill, you go left, and this way you have no chance of pushing the thread back inside. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.